Futures and options on futures trading involve substantial risk and is not a suitable investment for all types of investors. Past results are not necessarily indicative of future results. When I use the word I in this video, it refers to what I teach in my charting course or what I author in my twice daily oral and written updates. Prices shown on charts and quote boards are in real time and take into account all known activity up to this point in time. And if you'd like to read more of this disclaimer, simply hit the pause key. Good morning, all. Ira Epstein of Linn Associates on this day of remembrance, September 11th. Yep, September 11th, 2018, 9:05 a.m. And boy, I remember my day. I hope you remember yours when the Twin Towers got attacked. And we'll see throughout the day services for those people. I lost friends, people that I used to deal with in the quote equipment, guys that I'd known for years. They'd come out, we'd go to dinners, be together. Very, very sad. It always brings something back. I remember sitting at my desk watching it on TV, and I'm going, what is that? And couldn't believe it. In any case, let's get to the markets. All right. A mixed stock market today. We've got the gold down a little bit. It was down $5 more than this, but it has since come back. The dollar index got up to the 33 level, and it has since sold off. We're getting mixed pictures in these markets. Even the grain markets, which nosedove earlier, is now down only 4 with wheat down 8. So let's take a look at the morning's news and see what does with that. The U.S. NFIB Small Business Optimism Index came in at 108.8. The previous reading was 107.9, and the early numbers I saw were 108. So this is a stronger number than was thought. U.S. weekly Redbook retail sales up to 0.8% for the first week of September, 6.3% the first week of this time versus 2017. Retail sales up 6.3% in the week ending September 8th versus a year ago. So we're seeing the spending. We're seeing the kids go back to school. We're seeing people have money in their pocket and they're buying. Germany's ZEW September current condition index was 76 compared to the August reading of 72.6. Expectations for the economy index rose to a minus 10.6 from the negative 13.7 in August. In other words, things are looking rosier. The UK jobless data for August shows the claimants rose by 8,700 during the month. That was 2.6% of the nation's workforce. The important news for the UK is Mark Carney, their great Bank of England governor, is staying on board, and he offers guidance through this Brexit process. You don't need a new face in there for this. China's top market regulator said China would treat all companies on equal footing, including foreign firms, went on to say that the U.S. nor China benefits from the trade war, blah, blah. The important thing that they're doing, and I think that it's important, is they are trying to woo U.S. companies and saying, no, we are not going to attack your company. We're not going after this company, that company. We may retaliate against the U.S., but you are not in our crosshairs. At the same time, the Chinese Commerce Ministry said it regrets Canada's complaint. How's this? Canada's complaint to the WTO regarding anti-dumping measures of Canadian pulp products, okay? And in Brazil, we're getting new numbers on cotton production, 2 million metric tons. Prior report was a little smaller at 1.98 million metric tons. Now, it's going to be an interesting time because sometime this week, we're probably going to hear more about these Chinese tariffs that could be launched at any moment. What do they mean and how do they impact things? They're just sort of hanging over the market. We have Ms. Freeland back from Canada, so she meets with Mr. Lighthizer, and they're going to try to work out something in the trade. But there's 3 big issues, be it the dairy, that Chapter 19, and of course, what are the U.S. companies, can they go into the publishing businesses and take control of national companies there in Canada? So you've got 3 big issues. Can deals be made? Don't know, but that's what everybody's going to be looking at. Want to remind you of a big deal. Tomorrow, that is Wednesday, September 12th, at 12:30 p.m., I am holding my live webinar. In other words, you come in on your internet, you can write questions, you bring up ideas that you want to discuss, I read them out loud to the crowd, and away we go. The only reason I don't allow you to speak is I'll get 100 people in there and I hear everybody breathing, I hear their background noise, you can't make anything out. So the way we do it is you're able to come in, Write your questions, I read them out loud, and away we go. It's a lot of fun. It typically lasts, in the neighborhood 35 to 45 minutes. You can come and go as you want. It is free, but it's first come, first serve because these things fill up. How do you get the invite? Well, if you don't have it, and I sent them yesterday, I'm not sending them again en masse. All you need to do is call my staff here. If I sent them and you were on my mailing, either look in your inbox, your junk mail, your clutter mail. It could be one of those three if you normally got stuff from us. Otherwise, call us. We'll put it right out to you. With that, I'm Ira Epstein. I'll see you later this afternoon. Good luck. Good trading to you.